Welcome. Our privacy policy is located here. Scroll through the page, and be aware of your rights. Please read the terms and conditions before committing to purchase. We have compiled some tutorial videos here. From the left navigation column, pick a category. There are 16 products on each page. When more than 16 products exist per category, you can access further pages at the bottom of the products page. There are hundreds of carefully chosen, high-quality products on our website. Take plenty of time to view and choose. Once decided on a product, click the red View Details button to view frame dimensions and color options. At this point we are not yet logged in. We can choose a default gender image to view the Click and Measure app. We will show you our Click and Measure app in another tutorial. You must select a lens type from this area before proceeding. The area will show a red tinted error if you forget. If you select prescription lenses, but do not have a prescription registered, or your prescription is registered, but you are not logged in, you will see this page. We will log into our private account. We already have distance, intermediate and reading prescriptions registered. This allows us to purchase any of the lens categories listed. If no reading prescription details were registered, no multifocal or reading selections would be shown on this page. Click the blue Proceed button to proceed to lens selection. We will show you all the lenses available to us using our distance prescription. Hovering over some active areas pops up extra information snippets. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will choose free basic lenses. There are a number of optional extras available. The first of these is tinting options. We can select from a vast amount of colors and densities. Hover the cursor over the color, and an image of that tint pops into view. The next option is ultraviolet protection. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will choose no optional extras. The next option is lens coatings. You can choose from anti-reflection or mirror coatings. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will choose no optional extras. You can click the red button to add the order to your cart, or click the blue button to return to the previous page. We've added an anti-reflection coating. And then removed it. We will now add it to our shopping cart. We can now check out or order more products by selecting from one of the categories and repeating the procedure. We will now order some spectacles for reading. Basic lenses will do just fine. If we know for sure that we don't need any optional extras, we can skip directly to the Add to Cart page. We can now check out or order more products by selecting from one of the categories and repeating the procedure. We will buy a cheap basic bear for computer work at home. We will now check out, with 3 pairs of spectacles for very different purposes. Follow this link to our terms and conditions of sale. You must agree to our terms to continue with your purchase. And don't forget to select your destination country from the drop-down list. You can still check your cart. And don't forget to select your destination country from the drop-down list. That's it, you're done. We hope to see you again.